I'm here on Felixstowe Beach today with Anne Wellings, and there is a protest. All the dog owners have gone together, and there's a protest against a proposal to stop all dogs on all beaches in Felixstowe during the summer months. Now Anne, tell me a bit more about it. Why do they want to actually stop all the dogs?
This we don't know. They seem to think it will detract from tourists coming down because of the dogs on the beach. But we've already got part of the beach that's just for tourists. No dogs are allowed on there between May and September, which we all understand. And the rest of the beach is dogs are allowed. It's quite clear that dogs are allowed. And we get people coming from Ipswich and local areas coming down for the day with the families and the dogs, and I really feel that if they can't come onto the seafront, they're going to go elsewhere. So,
okay, well, good luck with it all.
Thank you.
Let's go for a walk.
Yeah, okay.
Thank you.
Yeah. But I think what's frightening is
She's got to go. Go on then.
Nicely.
You can see most of the dog owners and the dogs are having a great time, and I'm sure they enjoy themselves here as much as what children do during the summer months. So let's see what happens in the future.